Next one, joining an array. Joining an array. Joining an array. Arrays. Joining arrays. Right. So import numpy as a numpy as a np dot array of let's take 1 2 3 guys 4. Okay, I'll take this one as as a1. Okay, I take the a1 as a1, right? Let's take one more np np dot array of, let's take for example 5 6 7 8. Right, now let's take as a2 at a2. So np dot concatenate, spelling cat t na na, is it right? Anyone spelling? Spelling CONCAT. This T is there, not there? Oh, correct spelling, huh? Tell me, into suppose some X. If you don't tell, who will tell now? Interpreter will tell. Huh? What said that? What is that? Only integers arrays can be converted into scalar index. What is this? So what happened? Or came or not? So actually 1 2 3 4 belongs to one array, right? And 5 6 7 8 belongs to another array. Now both are joined into which one? A single array, right? Single array, guys. That's fine. Okay, that's fine. Now let us see here one more. Comma, some axis argument is there. Let's take the 0. We'll see now what is this 0 now. Print of x, same came, right? Let's go with 1. Oh, is out of boards. Okay, this is 1D array, right? Okay, this axis we see for the 2D arrays. 2D arrays means do you want concatenate which one, rows wise or columns wise, like that? Axis 0, suppose columns wise. Axis 1, for example, row wise, like that. Variation is there. When in 2D, in 1D, no columns, no rows, right? Only one row is the sum. Okay, all of you. Let's write this one. Write this one here. Join this one. Joining, right? Joining 1D array, na? 1D arrays. Joining 1D arrays. Write this one. I mean, I'll try the second one also. Or one day over. Next keep it in class. What's output here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Second one joining which one? That 2D array. Right. Now all of observe here. So first one over, right? One day over. Just I remove this one from here. No, all of observe guys here. So this is the 2D array, right? So 2D arrays, right? So this is the right first one and the second one, right? Second one, guys. Here how many rows are there? What is shape of x? Tell me now. Shape of x. Shape of x. If I take here, suppose right dot shape. What is the shape? 4/3 means what's the meaning now? 4 rows are there, and in each row, how many 3 elements are 3 columns are there? At 4/3. So next one, just all of observe here. This is the what we have joining comma some axis equal to what here 0, right? 0 guys, okay, 0. Same, right? So first one, then second one is there. Now the same one, just I do here with the axis 1. Now we find the difference. With the axis 1, I am taking just now observe here all of. Right, now see the difference here. So what difference you find here? In case of axis 0, okay, this is the result. The axis 1, this is the result. All of you. What is the difference you find here? In that, this is the actually first array, right? This is the which one? Second array. And here, this is the right first array. Yes or no? This is the which one? Second array. Now, how do you define? If axis equal 0, what displayed? If axis 1, then what displayed? How do you define? If axis 0, what is increasing here? Rows adding. Yes or no, right? Rows adding. If axis 1, columns as adding. All of right. If you see, if axis 0, what is happening here? Actual 2 rows are there. Now third row, fourth row came. Means if axis 0, then they're adding the row based, right? Row based here. If axis 1, they're adding what here? Column based, right? Already 3 columns are there. Now fourth column, fifth column. Same rows not increased here. All of you. If axis 0, same 3 columns are there. 3 columns are there. What increased? Rows increased. In axis 1, and what happened here? Same 2 rows only. But what increased here? Columns increased. Right? Take this one. Adding at the second array where at the bottom, right? Bottom of what? At first array. Here, what's happening now? Adding a second array. What side? Right side, right? Right side. Right side of first array. What's happening here? Rows are increasing, right? Rows are increasing. In this case, columns are increasing.